On pad number 1. David, where are you? There you are. Okay, you guys ready to go?
Yep.
All right. On pad number 1, David S. has the Wildman Journey 75. It has an Aerotech H100 White Lightning, using the motor for ejection. We're ready to go on pad number 1. Range clear, skies clear. Pad 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so you see
The event and the sheet is out.
over there, okay? You guys follow the horizon.
It wasn't stable. Not at all.
Yep, it
Well,
was.
the payload changed a little from our test flight.
All right, David K., you ready to go on pad number 4? All right.
I think
On pad number 4, David Kim has a Thor 54 with an H135, right?
when we did our
Electronics, the deployment with a dual deploy main at 300. This is going to go about 2,000 feet. On pad number 4 on the high power side, range clear, skies clear, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's your event.
It could like barely go up. It could go like slightly up, but not. No, yeah, it is. It can't go down. It could go up.
Let's go, let's go.
Wait, are we
Looks
allowed?
like the body two may be separated.
But that one, don't take it. We're gonna take it over there, right?
Yes.
Are you working as an intern in that one? Is she an intern here now?
Oh, no, I see 2 pieces connected now.
Complete circle, and guess where they were?
Where?
Right there on the edge of the tailgate. With a label on it said hardware.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got three right. How much is it?
Get a little windy up there. Looking for the mains. Come on, range, there you go. Nice job.